Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Aurea and this is DIY with Aurea. Today is all about dupes. I'll be recreating this white starfish napkin ring, and I saw this at Kirkland's, and it is a set of 4 for $39.99. I'm gonna make it for a lot less. I purchased these rings at Dollar Tree. It comes 6 in a package and I'm only gonna be using 4. I have some white chalk paint and I put like 2 tablespoons of this baking soda. I'll be mixing them and I am looking for a thick consistency. Once that is done, I'm gonna go ahead and give it 2 coats of this white chalk paint to all 4 of the napkin rings. And they are all completely dry. They are beautiful and they have this beautiful texture. And these starfish, 3 in a package from Dollar Tree for $1.25. I made this project for under $3 and it came out absolutely beautiful. All I'm doing is adding some hot glue and putting them right here on the napkin ring. This is so beautiful. I love the texture that it has and it looks nice and elegant, and it is perfect for the summer. On this channel, I love creating things on a budget. I usually use items from Dollar Tree, thrift flip, garage sales, repurposing. If this is something that you enjoy, I hope you do consider subscribing. And now for the reveal. Today I'm participating once again of the 5 under 5 DIY challenge, and it is being hosted by Missy, Crafty Cove DIY, also Emily from Farm Charm Chic, and they have a guest host and her name is JC, Crafting with JC. The links to their channels will be down in my description box along with the playlist. Please make sure to visit them and give them a lots of love. And now let's get started with our second DIY. I went to a garage sale. I purchased, I think it was like 18 or 19 of them in this big bag, and they were brand new. As I was going through Kirkland's website, I've seen the exact same ones for $39.99, and that's a set of 4. And I said to myself, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and take some black Rust-Oleum spray paint and I'm gonna give it 2 coats. Fast, quick, and easy dupe for pennies. And I hope you like it. And here is another quick dupe. I found this at Kirkland's, a white Martha Stewart cake stand. And I am going to be creating my own for less than $3. Each of these pieces cost me $1.25 at the Dollar Tree. All I'm doing is adding a little bit of hot glue, and for a permanent hold, you might want to add E6000 or maybe Crazy Glue or whatever glue is of your preference. And for this 5 under 5 challenge, we must create 5 different DIYs under $5 and they must be duped. And again, don't forget that down in my description box, I will have the playlist to all of these talented creators, so make sure to visit them and give them a lots of love. I have this cylinder from Dollar Tree and I'm going to go ahead and give it 2 coats with this Rust-Oleum black paint. I will also be watering down this antique wax, and I'm going to be giving 1 coat to these bamboo sticks, and you find these at the Dollar Tree. And I am duping She Is So Crafty. I recommend for you to go ahead and visit her channel. She is very talented. I let the cylinder stay a whole day so it could dry because it was spray paint, and now these bamboo sticks are also completely dry, and now it's time to cut them up in different sizes. The tips are a little uneven, so I took out my sand block and I sand the tips. Then I came in with some of that same antique wax and I'm retouching the ends. Putting this piece of napkin right here so the cylinder won't move as much. And now with some hot glue, I'm gonna start gluing the larger pieces of bamboo sticks, followed by the smaller ones. Guys, look at how beautiful this is turning out. I love the fact that it has a little farmhouse look to it, yet it looks elegant. I am loving this project. And if you are visiting me from one of the other platforms and you are enjoying my content, I hope that you do consider subscribing, sharing, and give me that big thumbs up, because when you give me that big thumbs up, it helps my channel. And don't forget to let me know again which one is your favorite so far. I went to a garage sale last weekend and I saw this for $8. So I said, I could clean it up and give it a facelift. So the first thing that I'm doing is I'm sanding the entire piece, back, front, and the sides, because this was really dirty and grimy and it was nasty. So let's go ahead and give it a facelift. So I went to Amazon and I saw this cutting board for $23.99. I'm gonna go ahead and try to recreate it. First thing first, I'm dividing it with this painter's tape. Once the tape is put in place, I went on and I measured it, and now that I see that it's even, I'm gonna start by giving it 2 coats of white chalk paint on both corners. Once I finished painting that one corner, I went on and I removed the tape, only because I was afraid that it was going to bleed, but it turned out pretty good. And now I'm doing the same thing to the other side. So now I'm gonna go ahead and remove the tape. I'm gonna let it sit for a while, and then once that's done, I'm coming in with a little bit of antique wax. I'm gonna water it down, mix it well, and start waxing the middle of the cutting board. Thank you for taking time to stop by and supporting my channel. If this is your first time visiting me, I am truly grateful for your support. I hope that you are enjoying my content, and if so, please consider subscribing, sharing, and liking. To my existing subscribers, thank you for your continuing support. It means the world to me. And now for the final review. I hope you enjoy it.